Automation has played a very important role in passive income generation, where all these can be automated and you can do whatever you love, like you love spending your time on, and your system and your business works in the back end
in the
for
background,
you, right?
yeah. Almost 14 years back when I heard of Bitcoin, right? It was less than $1 per Bitcoin, right?
Seriously.
And at that time, I was like,
What
if
is
somebody
it?
would tell me to spend $100 and just buy 100 Bitcoins, I would say, why should I
Why?
waste my money?
Yeah.
Just imagine.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of our Freedom Formula series of podcast, where we talk about different topics every week. So this week's topic is the role of automation in wealth creation. So we know that automation is taking over, right? So Vimal, do you want to
Yeah.
tell your side
Automation
of
is really powerful, and companies are taking advantage of automation, reducing their costs, maybe 1/5 or even 1/10.
Yeah.
It's true. Robots have gone down by 50% the cost of robots.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why won't they? Look
Absolutely.
at our digital business. Passive income.
Yeah.
With just once you pay for automation with the funnels, the email systems, and you're set for life to earn passive income.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like we just create our system once, and we are we are investing on the system only once, and we
Yeah.
can use it forever, right?
That's right. And what I realize is that if you were to do it yourselves, right? So I am from the IT background, so I know if you were to set it up yourself, I know for sure it's going to take like at least 3 to 6 months to get it all set up, and it's going to be very expensive, right? So you're looking at maybe 10K, 12, or maybe even $20,000 is what it's going to cost. Just in the system.
25 would be perhaps.
Perhaps, yeah. So depends on. So it's going to be very expensive, right? So that's the advantage that we have over here,
Yeah.
because you get it all for significantly cheaper. It's like almost like a steal deal, is what I would say.
And I think even with the digital marketing side, right? Like
Yeah.
it's all automated. So for example, even in our business, we set up an ad and it runs forever, right? Like
Yeah.
if we can keep it
That's right.
running and we can do whatever we want on the side. And
Exactly.
I think automation has played a very important role in passive income generation, where all these can be automated and you can do whatever you love. Like you
That's right.
love spending your time on, and
Exactly.
your system and your business works in the back end
In the
for
background,
you, right?
yeah.
So that can generate a lot of income for people. Like you can also give your time for something else, maybe for the second business,
Exactly.
Absolutely.
right? So I think that was
You know something, I feel more and more people should be educated about this. Because, for example, let's take me. I wasn't in the IT profession and I really didn't know about this. So, when I first heard about funnels and all, I was like swimming in what exactly
it?
is this? But if I had known beforehand, maybe I would have started earlier.
Right.
Yeah.
And the thing is, you don't really have to be from the software background to start this.
No.
Right? So
Yeah,
many folks,
especially.
I mean, there's really no barrier of experience that, you didn't know this before coming in here. No. You got all kinds of people who are doing it and running it very successfully.
I think the automation part is already done for us.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
So we are just connecting to a system which is already automated.
But
That's right.
understanding it also, I feel now at least I understand it. I may not be able to have the technology to do it, but at least I understand what it
What all
means.
goes, what all goes into it.
Yeah.
And I think and a lot of people think that they are getting replaced by robots and others, right? So,
Yeah.
but what I feel is, these are the technologies which is coming into picture now, right? So they are using it, and
That's
people are using it because the companies can profit out of it, right?
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
if they replace a few people and use automation instead of them, the companies can save a lot. So that's
right.
why they do it. It's for their betterment. So
Exactly.
as employees, people
Yeah.
should know about like how they can make use of these technologies and get better at in their life, right?
Exactly.
So that is how I think that everything works,
Yeah,
right?
that's
So
right.
you can't keep depending on a job thinking that is your future,
Yeah.
right? So if something is replacing us, we'll have to think of how we can use the same thing and
For our benefit.
for our benefit, right?
If you're being replaced by the lemonades, learn to make lemonade. Lemons,
Seriously.
learn to make lemonade. We have to evolve with the time.
I think another example is a lot of people a few years ago didn't know anything about Bitcoin, right?
Yeah.
And many people didn't invest in Bitcoin, but now everybody can see that Bitcoin has like improved a lot, and now everybody feel that they should have bought Bitcoin.
Earlier.
But what people thought was it is risky and we don't know anything about Bitcoin. I don't know if I can invest on it or not, something like that, right? So
Just imagine almost 14 years back when I heard of Bitcoin, right? It was less than $1 per Bitcoin,
Right.
right?
Seriously.
And at that time, I was like,
What
if
is
somebody
it?
would tell me to spend $100 and just buy 100 Bitcoins, I would say, why should I
Why?
waste my money?
Yeah.
Just imagine.
I think that's the same case nowadays. Everything is going online, and people are trying to start their online businesses like us, right?
Yeah.
I started my business 5 years ago in 2019,
Okay.
5 or 6 years ago. So that, like, when I started, I didn't know anything about online, and not many people were moving online in that
Yes.
year, right? Like, but
Yeah.
now everybody are moving online, and even in this year now, currently, most people are still thinking if I should go online
Yeah.
or not.
Yeah.
So
That's true.
those kind of people will surely be left behind
Yeah.
in the next few
Unfortunately.
years to come.
Yeah,
So
unfortunately.
it's always
Sad.
better people scale up,
Definitely.
learn, like invest in yourself and
Yeah.
learn the new skills
Yeah.
so that you can actually go with the technology.
Move
Exactly.
with the times.
Seriously, right?
That's
Yeah.
right. Totally
So I
agree.
think the summary is that if you are somebody who's been who you think that if you're being replaced by technology, it's always better you scale up, you invest in yourself, learn the new skills, and try to what do you say, accept the technology and go along with it. Maybe.
Yeah.
It's like Robert Kiyosaki says, the rich don't work for money, they make money work for them.
Yeah.
So we have to not be replaced by automation. We have to make
Make
automation
work for us.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So we'll leave it at that. Thank you, everyone. We'll catch up again with another topic next week. Bye bye.